Like, oh, we reached 544 viewers. What did I do to you, all of you? Oh my God. You know what? Insufficient Slim. When someone, like, when someone, oh my God, wait, ha. When somebody won't send me a gifts on Bigo, I used to record their gifts. Di ba, Big Papi? I'm used to recording paglaba na ara. Gago. Ay, silingan, ang laba lagi ko ba? Hi, Adriana. Bebot, why did you run? You run, ha? Bebot was running. I was doing laundry. Sino ba to? Apila mo ka, Jess. Who's this one? Ikaw na ni Aug yatay. Oh my goodness, thank you for that insufficient Slim. Guys, do you want me to Do you want me to wash also your clothes? I don't know what happened with Papi. Ay, Buston, where have you been? You also ran away, huh? Run away. Hayati Blackheart. What happened to all of you? Why would I reach 551 viewers? I'm just doing my laundry. And then earlier, I was just speaking the spines out of my feet. Insufficient Slim, tagasan ka ba? Ay, Filipino. Filipino ba? Filipino ka ba? Ewan ko talaga sa iyo. This is the best hotline. I'm not even doing a hotline ba? I don't know, but why the water won't stop? Stop already na. I'm from, are you? Huh? Really? You're from US? I'm from the Philippines. Wait, I'm not doing a hot live. Why would I, I'm just, like, I've been here in March. I'm from Earth. Gago. That's why now I keep on asking myself, Uy, I did just bring my viewers to do a laundry with me and then I reached 500 plus views already. Guys, you don't like, you didn't something you didn't do something else. You're just here on Vigo. Then you're watching. Huh? I just didn't expect that it will reach to 570. It keeps on increasing ba? Oh my God. Wa pa sabi. Wala man. It keeps on increasing. Oh my goodness. Wait ha, I need to reply for this one. There's someone asking for a load. Hala, sweetheart, send a beauty box. It did not pop now. Thank you so much everyone ha. Ambot ato niya. Ay, what happened to all of you? I just don't understand ba what's going on. I was just replying. If I will. No, there's someone Pag Bisaya diha day. Really kapre. Wait, I didn't I would not speak in Bisaya because everybody won't understand. Some of them are speaking in English. Tukining dollars. Yeah, grade 1. Asa ka Manday? I'm from Leyte. I'm from Ormoc. Really? Did you see something? Philippine man. Ano yun? Why would you say Philippine money? Why would you say Philippine money?